Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given 400 sunflower seedlings of the same height. So there will be 200 seedlings in each condition A and B where this botanist grow. And he summarized his results in the box and whiskers plots below. Okay, so there are 200 of the plants each. I just make a short note there. Estimate the number of seedlings which are taller than 30 cm under condition A. So the keyword now is this 30 cm and it must be taller. So I'm going to just zoom in on the box and whisker and see what's so special about this 30 for condition A. Ooh, 30 is here, right? So if I continue to go up, I realize something. I realize that this 30 cm actually correspond to Q1 for condition A, lower quartile. Well, this means something. This means that I will have 25% of the plants less than, in this case, 30 cm. And if they want taller than 30 cm, then we should look at the other side, which means that there will be 75% of the plants taller than 30 cm. And do we know how many plants are there? There are 200 plants, and these 200 plants, 75% are taller than 30 cm. Alright, so that's what this explains. So this Q1 is 30 cm for condition A. As I explained, 25% will be lower or equal to 30. So to get that more than or taller than 30 cm, it is actually 75%. And we know the number of plants in condition A, 200. So I just need 75% of this 200, which corresponds to 150. So that's part A. Okay. Part B, though, is a relatively straightforward question where we just need to find the range of the plants under the condition A and B. So I just need to find their respective minimum and maximum. So again, this is our minimum. And this is my maximum. Okay, so I will be able to get all my answers fairly easily from here and here. Okay, therefore the answers that you see here is what it is. Condition A, the range will be 35. The range for condition B would be 25. Okay, and these numbers are gathered from the graph itself. Minimum for A is 20, minimum for B is 25, maximum is for A is 55, maximum for B is 50. Part C, compare the medium and the interquartile range. Which one is higher, which one is lower, or are they equal? Well, this means that I will then have to find the respective medium and interquartile range. So for medium, This will be for me condition A, this will be for condition B. Interquartile range, I will need my upper quartile and my lower quartile. So I'm going to just denote it here. This is my medium, upper quartile and lower quartile. Okay, and from here I can get all the answers already, right? So this part here, the medium and the interquartile range are all given from here. They are just found in the diagram itself. Alright, 35, 39, 15 and 11. And the quick comparison, since they only ask us to compare, we just need to state which one is higher, which one is lower. Okay, so this is a pretty straightforward kind of question. So I can talk about, in general, given this set of data, the seedlings for condition B are taller because the medium is taller, 35, 9 compared with 35. Do write down this and do tell people whether they are taller or not, or greater. Taller. Okay, so these are the key words. Okay, and of course do indicate that the number 39 is a medium. As for interquartile range, then this is what you will see also. Again, do indicate the interquartile range. The number, in this case is 15, is greater, we need to compare, than that of condition B. Well, this means that condition A has greater variation. And which of these, if I go back to the question for part D, which condition is more favorable, that means better? Well, looking at the answers for part C, then I can just easily decide already. Condition B is better because two things. It is taller. We look at the medium. It is also more consistent or less varied, because this we can get our answers from the interquartile range. And because of these two factors, condition B is actually better or more favorable to the growing of these two seedlings. Okay, well, with that we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.